Academic Offer Tutorial. All you need to know. From the homepage of the PoliTo website, click on Education. From this section, you can consult both the list of bachelor's and master's degree programs. Now you can select one of the degree courses of your interest among the ones on the list, as shown in the example. Then, click on the Program Curriculum button and on Full Curriculum. Go to View Course Catalog by academic year. You need to consider the courses offered during the academic year in which you will carry out your mobility. Here you can find the language of teaching. If you open all the tracks, you will see the complete list of subjects of the degree. On the right side of the table, you will see the language of teaching of each course. Right after, you can check the number of credits per course. On the left side of the table, it is shown the period of teaching. If you see the number 1, then the course is taught only in the first semester, from September to February. If you see the number 2, then the course is taught only in the second semester, from March to July. If you see the numbers 1, 2, then the course is taught during the whole academic year. These courses can be chosen only by students who perform a 1-year mobility, starting from the first semester. Remember that you can only choose courses that are taught during your mobility period. Pay attention. Courses made up by more than one module cannot be separated. They are complementary and offered as a whole. If you want to check the syllabus of a course, you have to click on its name. Here you can find information such as prerequisites, language of teaching, contents, textbooks, examination modalities, etc. This is the end of our tutorial. Now you are ready to check our academic offer.